What's up guys, today I'm here with a brand new video. Today I'm going to be showing you that how to remove the watermark from the kinemaster. So its process is free. If you downloaded the kinemaster, so first delete it from your phone. First delete its icon from here and then delete it files from the file manager. So first you have to download the one app. It's called AC Market. So it's available on browser. So when you open the browser, so I'm giving you the link in the description. Wait, like here is a link. So I'm entering it, and you will be redirected to this page. When you open my link in the description, so you'll be redirected to this page. So you have to click the latest version. So press download. When you press the download button, this option will appear, save APK file. So you have to click OK. So I have downloaded the AC Market, so I'm just canceling this option. Pause. So after this, when you open the AC Market, AC Market, so this will be the first page, like this. You can see it. So you have to go to the apps, but this is a search option. You have to search here kinemaster. You can see I searched the kinemaster. No, wait, kinemaster Pro Video Editor. So I've selected this. So you'll be showing you like this. So you have to select the latest version here. It's the latest version, says 4.6.8. So I selected this. So you have to press the download button. After pressing the download button, it will start downloading, as you can see here. So it's downloading, so it will take some time. So I have to clear you one thing, that if you don't delete the kinemaster files you have downloaded from the Google Play, so it will not work. So you have to remove the files of the existing kinemaster. So please delete these existing files of the kinemaster and then download this one, or this kinemaster. So like you can see, when the kinemaster is downloaded, it will just appear like this: kinemaster install this app. So you have to press the install button. So it'll take a while to install. So as you can see, after this it will install. So I just press the boot button. You can see it has already been installed successfully. So you have to open this. I can see I have opened the kinemaster. So pressing allow. Remind me later. You can see. I can show you this sample right here. Okay, and I'm selecting my video from my pictures. Camera. As you can see, that it's not a watermark from the kinemaster, as you can see. So it's not a fake video. So please, if you like the video, please subscribe. So bye.